So guys, we have three beautiful ladies all the way from.
From Philippines.
Okay.
Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Welcome to Kabayan. Virtual policy.
Okay. What did you buy from us?
iPhone 14 Pro Max.
iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Yes.
And what do you think the price we give? How is the price?
Good and then
Very affordable.
Affordable.
Yes.
Budget friendly.
Budget friendly. And did you get accessories also with that
Yes,
phone?
the accessory.
Okay. Cover, protector, and
Protector
everything.
and then headset.
Headset also?
Yes.
Okay. So anything you want, you can say about us to the Kabayan people. They are watching us right now.
Hi mga kabayan! So, ini-endorse lang namin si Viral Pasal o si Kiosk.
Kiosk.
Affordable yung mga phones nila. Try nyo and may mga freebies kayong makukuha.
Okay. Thank you.
And free coffee. If you come here, you free coffee.
Okay, guys. So if you need something, iPhone or second-hand iPhones, you can come here. This is Al Watan Center, Viral Pasal. Thank you so much. You guys are happy? Good
Yes,
price?
happy.
Good service?
Thank you for the discount.
Thank you!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.